Alright, hi YouTube, Shion here. So today we're going to be looking at how to take off the MMI control panel in the center console for the A6 and the A7 C7. That's generation 7. Okay, to do that, you pull from this side and this other side, also here and here, and then you lift this up. There are 4 connectors beneath here. Okay, this is one of them. There's a small tab, you can see this. Press this, it comes out. Same thing on this side too. Press this, comes out. Come to this side too, same thing. You press it, comes out. This one too, same thing. Then for the gear lever, for the gear lever, you twist this. You twist. Okay, so this is lock. Lock is to the left side. That's anti-clockwise. All right. To unlock, you twist this way, and then pull out. You pull out. So these are the tabs. Here, 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 and here. It's just that easy to take out. And then the connectors, you see these small tabs here, you press and you pull out. Same thing on this side, press, pull out. Same thing, this red one too, and this last one. That easy. See you in the next one.